Welcome to Blackjack Special.
What's up? Welcome back to the channel, Blackjack Special, back with another video for you guys. Alright, so for today's video, we're actually going to try and remove the rear seats. And we're going to attempt to pop the dent out from the side of the G here, from the inside out. And yeah, let's hope that works. If we don't get out the dent today or we can't get to it, then I'm just going to end up buying one of those bigger heavy duty suctions and try and pull it out from the outside. But yeah, we're gonna get into the video. All right, let's get into it, guys. To remove the rear seat, all you gotta do is pull up in the middle here. If you have the coupe, just pull up here. There's like a little clip right there for this thing in here. So you just gotta really pull up really hard in there. Okay, and ooh, there's money in here, man. Wait, you got some money in there, motherfucker. Alright guys, this seat doesn't really have much weight to it, man. So there's really no point in removing your back seat, in my opinion, for weight saving. Anyways, let's keep going. The speaker, this piece here out, should be able to slide it beside this, so you don't have to take the back piece out. For when you remove this piece, you gotta unplug the speaker wire right there. All right, so we're looking like, oh, imagine leaving the back of the G like this. I don't know, man, I don't know. Okay, let's go get a couple of wrenches and shit, get this out. So yeah, we got all the screws out here. Just gotta remove these two screws right here, and then we should have access. Okay, to remove this plate, you need 10 mil, and you need half inch. Okay, we have access now. And put our hand all the way on the side here. We should be able to pop this bad boy up. So as you can see, this kind of like bump right here, that's right where the dent is here. As you can see, kind of like pushed in, kind of hard to see, but yeah. And you can see how this side is nice and smooth. Also see right here how it kind of curves like that and goes down like that. So we're just gonna make sure the passenger side is looking somewhat the same. So now we're outside, we should be able to kind of see. So I can see now that we didn't really do much. We did something though. We did something. We did pop some of the dent out, but something we're not gonna be able to fucking fix is right here. Still a comparison video. So this is this side from this angle. You can see. And now this is the other side. Fucking big difference, eh? Big difference. Again, don't be like me, man. Wear some fucking gloves. Wear some gloves, man. Well, yeah, that's what it's looking like there. So we're just pushing it inside. You see a little dent right there at the top as well. Around here. One little dent here, one little dent there. Okay guys, as you can see, we got most of it out. By popping it out from the inside, that actually works. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's still a little bit of dent in there. Really small ones, and hard to see it. There's a couple right here, one here, and there's another one there too. So this is decent enough now that it doesn't bother me. I can drive the car around right? No one's really gonna notice this side, whether you're behind the car, you know, beside the car. If you look, you're not really gonna see that. It's really hard to see, especially with the black. So yeah, I think I'm happy with that, guys. Take you guys for a nice little drive. And yes, boys, the temperature is still good, so we're not overheating. We fix. Today's a hot day, so it's a really good time to take a G out and see if it's actually good, you know, because I know I tested out, I took it out already, but it was a cooler day. But we're pretty sure it's good anyways. But yeah, we're gonna drive this bitch. Where did it go? Where did they go? Oh no! Yes, sir. Fucking traffic going there. Can I get off somewhere? Weird. I feel like every time I rip this car, something goes wrong after for some reason. It's weird. It's like now the exhaust song's a little bit off. It's like it just fucks up the exhaust every time I rip this car. I don't know. Maybe it's just my ears that are fucked up right now. But yeah, that was a good, nice little rip right there. I'm going fucking deaf. This shit is loud. She screams, man. She screams. She screams so loud. Now I understand what's happening. Okay, guys, so this thing is fixed 100%. After some hard pulls, the temps are still good. So yeah, we're just gonna drive home. We're gonna end the video, man. We're doing good. And on to the next one, right?
I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot, and I can't stop. And I can't stop.